All right, and the last problems that you're doing on section 5.4 are solving equations. And so these, again, you're going to be using the sum and difference identities. So here's the cosine of a sum. So cosine, cosine, sine, sine, sine. And now you got to be careful because this is going to get written out, but then this is going to be a difference and you have to distribute that negative. So I'm going to put a negative and a parenthesis, and we've got sine, cosine, cosine, sine. And so when I distribute that negative, this is going to become negative and this will become positive. So cosine of pi is -1. So this is going to become a negative cosine of x. Sine of pi is 0, so that's going to be a 0. And now I'm not proving an identity, I'm solving an equation. So if something is 0, you don't have to rewrite it, okay? Again, cosine of pi is a -1. So this is going to give me a plus sine of x. And then this one, I've got, oh, I wrote sine of x instead of sine of pi. Good catch. Sine of pi is 0, so then this one is also gone. So this is what I have right here, okay? So at this point, I'm going to add my cosine to the other side. So I have the sine of x is equal to the cosine of x. Now, a person could square both sides, go through that whole process. But if you know your trig values, you should know where sine and cosine are equal to each other. They're equal to each other at pi-fourths in quadrant 1 and 5 pi-fourths in quadrant 3. And those are my two solutions.